Good morning, students. Now we discuss about the characteristics of a wave. In previous class we discussed about what are the types of mechanical waves. There are two types. What are they? Longitudinal waves and transverse waves. In this class now discuss about characteristics of a wave. In first year we know that a simple harmonic body have some characteristics. What are that? Amplitude, displacement, time period and frequency. Now the definition of the amplitude. First of all, what is meant by amplitude? The maximum displacement of a vibrating particle in the medium about the mean position is called amplitude. What are the units of the amplitude? In CGS system, the unit of amplitude is centimeter, and SI unit, the unit of the amplitude is meter. We know that the wave is traveling either it is represent a sine function or cos function. The wave is traveling in this way. First the displacement is 0 here. Next at maximum displacement, that is called amplitude. Amplitude is represented with a small a or capital A as shown in the figure. Next one is time period. Time period means time taken by the particle to complete one vibration about the mean position is called time period. Time period formula is T is equal to 2 pi by omega. Units of the time period is second. It is represented with symbol small s. టైం పీరియడ్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ మనకు పార్టికల్ వేవ్ అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, వేవ్లో మన వేవ్ ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది, మీడియంలో ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది. మీడియంలో ట్రావెల్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఏముంటాయి, అందులో పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ పార్టికల్స్ అందుకని ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చెప్తున్నాము, పార్టికల్ ద టైమ్ టేకెన్ బై ద పార్టికల్ టు కంప్లీట్, ఆ పార్టికల్ ఏమవ్వాలి, టు కంప్లీట్ వన్ వైబ్రేషన్ అబౌట్ ద మీన్ పొజిషన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ టైమ్ పీరియడ్. టీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటది, 2 pi by omega. Next one is frequency. Frequency is denoted with a small n. Definition is the number of vibrations made by the particle in 1 second in the medium about the mean position is called frequency. Frequency is denoted with small n. Small n is equal to 1 by time period. Units of the frequency is hertz or second inverse. Next one is important definition. Wavelength lambda. Wavelength is represented with lambda. The distance between two successive points having phase is called wavelength. The distance between two successive points having same phase is called wavelength lambda. Units is centimeters or meters. In previous classes lo manam longitudinal, we know the longitudinal wave and transverse wave. In longitudinal wave, crust and troughs are formed. In transverse wave, crust and troughs are formed, and in longitudinal waves, compression and rarefactions are formed. The distance between two crusts is called, that is the distance between two crusts or trough. The distance between two crusts is called wavelength lambda. Or in longitudinal wave, the distance between two compressions or rarefaction is called wavelength lambda. Next one is angular wave number or propagation constant. It is represented with k. Angular wave number or propagation constant is represented with letter k. What is the definition of the angular wave number? The number of wavelengths produced in 2 pi distance is called propagation constant. What is the definition of the propagation constant? The number of wavelengths produced in 2 pi distance is called propagation constant. It is denoted with k. Formula is k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Next one, units. Units is equal to radian per meter. Next, wave velocity. This definition is most important in 2 marks. What is the definition of the wave velocity? The distance traveled by the wave in 1 second is called wave velocity. We know that the velocity definition. What is the definition of the velocity? Distance by time. Likewise, what is the wave velocity definition? The distance traveled by the wave in 1 second is called wave velocity. Important definition. So put the star mark for this definition. Velocity formula: V is equal to displacement by time. Here in waves the displacement is represented with lambda by t. 1 by time period is called frequency. So it is denoted with letter small n. So formula is V is equal to n lambda. In some cases, in problems, wave velocity formula is used. V is equal to omega by k. V is equal to general formula is lambda by t. Lambda, we know that lambda, the relation between propagation constant and wavelength lambda. Lambda is equal to 2 pi by k. By time period formula is 2 pi by omega. 2 pi cancel. Then we get wave velocity formula is V is equal to omega by k. So wave velocity is denoted with V is equal to n lambda, or velocity V is equal to omega by k. This formula used in problem way.